Hey guys, welcome back to week 10 of our holiday home challenge where we're talking about getting our home ready for guests. I don't know what I was thinking when I made this holiday home guide because nobody's having a bunch of guests over. Obviously, it's a pandemic and I don't know what I was thinking. We're not having any big gatherings. We're not having a ton of people over. So why I put this for this week's challenge is beyond me. But here's what we're going to do. We are still going to do little things that make our home safer for us, and if we do have parents coming over or our circle, our close circle of friends who are in our bubble coming over, so that everyone feels really safe this holiday season, even if we're not entertaining. One of the things I did this year was create a sanitized station for guests right at the front door where we have hooks for purses and their coats and all of their stuff when they come in. We also have a spot where they can sanitize their hands. This was so easy to make. I just printed this cute little sign from the internet and I put it in a frame. I had this wreath from the dollar store, so I ripped off some of the Christmas decor and hot glued it onto the frame and attached it to the wall. And then I have a little dollar store basket where I have a lot of different amazing smelling hand sanitizers from Bath and Body Works. That way the guests can choose. I don't know what they want to smell like, but they can choose whichever one they want. And I just love this so much. I hung it onto the wall. I have 3M hooks to hang on this little basket. It looks really cute, but it's also giving everyone who comes in an opportunity to feel safe. I mean, even if they don't sanitize their hands, which I totally hope that they do, but if they don't, I'm hoping that they feel like I'm taking it seriously and our family is taking this seriously, which we are, which will help put their mind at ease when they come into our home to visit. Another thing I did for those few guests that we will have over the holidays was put sanitizing, disinfecting wipes in the bathroom. I know I really appreciate this right now when I go into someone's home or into a bathroom that I can disinfect. I don't know what it is about the bathroom, but I mean, this pandemic has me even more of a germaphobe than normal. So having sanitizing wipes accessible in the bathroom just puts me at ease a little bit. I love that. I also want to make sure I have paper towels in the bathroom. So even though I have new, fresh hand towels for guests, I really appreciate having paper towels that I can just dry my hands and toss in the garbage if I'm at someone else's home. And I know we're touching things, we're probably sharing off a plate for food or something like that. But for some reason, having the bathroom feeling like it's really clean and it's really safe just puts my anxiety at ease. So I'm hoping that it helps my guests as well. Another quick thing that we're doing is keeping masks at the front door for me to wear when delivery driver people come, or we're having the pizza delivery guy come. We have pizza movie night every Friday. Or if we do have friends and family who are stopping by just to drop off a gift and not come in, just to put their mind at ease. These are just some little things that we can do to help our guests feel safe this holiday season. And I'm hoping you stay safe too. I know this year does not look like any other Christmas, and I know it can be really sad and a little depressing that we're not having the opportunity to get together for big family gatherings. Every year we have like 8 different Christmas parties we usually go to. I see my grandparents, our extended family, and this is the first year that we're not doing that, and it's sad, and I'm really upset about it. But again, focusing on the positive, focusing on this will be a more relaxing year to really make amazing quality memories with our own immediate family. That really is a blessing too. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. So not only did I make this holiday home guide and put week 10 as, getting ready for hosting a big thing or having overnight guests and all this stuff that no one's gonna do. Maybe some people are doing it, but for the most part, no one's entertaining. I also got my math wrong. So I tried counting the weeks so that, it led up right to Christmas. but I was a week off somehow, so it ends like a week before it's supposed to end. And somehow also, because math is hard, I messed up when US Thanksgiving was. We were supposed to have like the gift buying guide the week of Thanksgiving, so it coincided with Black Friday. Math is hard. I mean, my entire life I thought that I was really, really stupid because I just suck at math. Addition, subtraction. You see me trying to play crib. Joe has to add for me. It's like, how many ways can you make 15? I don't know. I've only been playing this game my entire life. It's like a lot of ways. I'm not a moron, but when it comes to numbers, super dumb. So let me know in the comments below if you totally feel me. And also, that's why if you're following the holiday home guide, it's completely jacked up because it required some counting. I had to count to 12 because it was 12 weeks. And I couldn't do it, you guys. I couldn't do it, but that's okay. You know what? The plus side of this is it ends a week early, so we're even more prepared. And then the week of Christmas, we can totally just sit back and relax because we're gonna be done early. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys next time.